Today let's see how to make a paneer wrap. First, to make a paneer wrap, we'll need to make pita bread. Pita bread is mostly used for making shawarmas. It is usually made using yeast, but today I'm going to tell you how to make pita bread without using yeast. To make pita bread, first take 1 cup maida. To that add 1/4 cup of curd, half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of baking powder, half tablespoon of baking soda, and half tablespoon of salt. Now mix it nicely and make a dough. Finally add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and keep the dough aside. Next, to make paneer stuff, first add 1 tablespoon of butter and fry the paneer in butter for 2 minutes. Once it's done, transfer it to a bowl and to the same pan add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add 1 onion. Once the onion is fried, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute for 2 minutes. Now add 1 tomato. One cup of tomato puree to it. Saute for 5 minutes. When the oil separates, add half cup of water and salt as required. After 5 minutes, add capsicum to it and simmer for 2 minutes. Finally add coriander leaves and your paneer stuff is ready. This can be done in 2 methods, one as a roll, another as a wrap. To make a paneer roll, spread 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 tablespoon of chili sauce or pasta sauce. To that add paneer, onion, carrot, cheese and roll it. And that's your amazing paneer roll. Make it as a wrap, slit the chapatis or pita bread and add paneer to one part, add mayonnaise and pasta sauce in other part, onion and finally add cheese and toast it in butter. That's it, your paneer wrap is ready. Do try this amazing recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. Thanks for watching.